spent days looking for best faceless niches with high RPMs and found something insane. Text screenshots, meme posts, copy-pasted streamer clips. These low-effort videos are printing cash while most people are still stuck refreshing Slack in a 9-to-5 haze. But it also made me wonder, if it's so easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Most of you think it's luck, that someone just got in early or hit the algorithm jackpot, but the real reason is way dumber. So dumb, believe me, once you hear it, it will change how you see YouTube forever. Niche 1, YouTube drama. These channels are blowing up by clipping wild moments, stacking them into compilations. This channel made 40 grand in last 30 days with a $6 RPM. And let me tell you one thing. This niche has not even started yet. Look at this channel. It's all IShowSpeed. Almost every channel is about IShowSpeed and other streamers, but it is just a one sub-niche. What about PewDiePie, Logan Paul, gamers, animators? There are so many buried controversies, untapped gold. By the way, 80% of the video is downloaded clips. The script is AI, voice is AI, thumbnail, title also can be done in AI. Most of these thumbnails doesn't look clean. You can do much better with a one click in pixels. You can easily outperform these channels. Niche 2 meme song posts. This one makes me mad because it's too easy. Find a viral post, go to the comment section, copy the funniest comments into a paragraph, plug it into a music AI, done. Now overlay those comments, screenshots, throw in a punchy title, and you've got a viral video. This channel is making 20 grand a month doing just that.
If I saw this movie on a plane, I would still walk down.
Niche 3, aesthetic motivation. We all know those moody edits, cinematic music, Fight Club quotes. These videos feel premium, but they're made with scraps. AI writes the script. You download a few movie scenes, add grain, change colors a bit, make text bold and simple. Upload, repeat. The RPM on these is solid $6 on average. This channel pulls in over 10K per month. Niche 4, 3D documentaries. The Netflix trap for YouTube. You've seen them. Dark scenes, cybercrime, assassinations, heists. They are making filthy amount of money with crazy RPMs. They feel expensive. So clearly you can't create that kind of high quality videos, right? Wrong? You can create these 3D scenes entirely with AI, from the script to the visuals. I'm gonna make a video about that after this video. The hard part isn't the production, it's picking the right sub-niche. Some channels just do heists, others focus on military operations or unsolved murders. Find a category with high demand and low competition, and plant your flag. More on this niche in my next video. Niche 5, celebrity gossip. The lifestyle of rich and famous people will always be a magnet. This has a very high RPM and they get insane amount of views, thousands of dollars. You can create scripts with AI and the whole video is full of downloaded videos and pictures. This channel does a great job at making these videos funny. Great thumbnail, great title. The more time you put, the better results you'll get. Niche 6, police body cam footage. RPM is crazy because older people watch these videos like there's no tomorrow. But here's the catch. You need the footage. That means reaching out to local departments, sometimes paying small fees, but the trade-off, you're putting out real-world, never-before-seen content that no one else has. This is one of the highest success rate niches out there because no one else is willing to do the paperwork. Niche 7, trash drawing explainers. About anything, literally anything. The drawings suck. That's the point. But the storytelling, spot on. AI writes the script. You doodle visuals with stick figures, no animation needed, just explain concepts like you're telling a bedtime story to a kid. This channel alone makes 10K a month, with shittiest drawings I've ever seen in my life. So why do 90% of people fail at this? It's not because the niches are bad. It's not even about luck. It's because they can't stay consistent. They treat this like a side hustle. But forget this is a competition. And you're up against people who are going all in. People who wake up thinking about scripts, thumbnails, voiceovers, while you're uploading when you feel like it. Be honest, do you really think you can beat someone giving 100% when you're only showing up at 20? That's the harsh truth. Not the algorithm, not the tools, just attention, focus, consistency. So if you want this to work, you've got to stop treating it like a hobby, because the ones who win never treat it like a maybe. They treat it like everything.